Ebusia bomfa Spider-Man. Meka bomfa Spider-Man am na kire Okatakyie Afrifa mensa bonsu. One Ghana police for nyina enya asem amasem na Accra High Court. Court etna service court say there be. Me hwe asem a court do a police for Monday boy Afrifa yi a. Entos mu edi court ato asem na twene. Am yisi am no kase dey Afrifa ene Ghana police for enya asem akọ court. Afrifa are any case over Ghana police. Now in this video when who case kro any said asem go call court ya Afrifa ene I Penyah block media. Mess was say any demo. Over like video that one subscribe button so be click the notification icon for latest update. Na be chere wa dwen dia mama e wo comment section. Mess was oba so. No share video more for so enya bi ahwe. Eti about a month ago. You want if you who say Afrifa for the records. About the Facebook page no be chere say he's about to embark on a Galamsey demonstration. That is a 3-day Galamsey demonstration. I best start on 28th, 29th, and 30th. I must all your flyers, any idea or publish a mukwa later who's a baby chair, no National Security Council got chair, any idea. I didn't say, or goes a once you say 80 from time to time, now or committee, Ghana police for no Accra, a petition, equal 2 money. I said the target the Flagstaff House. The organization of person, you know. Ebe machia they could do Flagstaff House. Now emuno as a Afrifa meeting Ghana police on many occasions. Now recently last week okoya no. Now the police for no air trust there the river can the omuntiase manasa. Ghana is too young. Mahama memu it is too young for demonstrations for demonstrations to happen. Ejane omo entiase. Mahama betra kunya enchai 4 months per day. Entiase mu bia demonstration there. It's not Ghana police for ebese omo stopping no. Every first year I said there be Galamsey must fall. King obey demonstration now. Enti we meeting Ghana police on many occasions. Emu na ma assembly copy court. As I did every person you know. Even location the Flagstaff House crown person omu march the corner. Enya fe et omu tiase man. Ghana police person omu tiase me Afrifa. Let's assembly copy more ko. Eti omu at home penten kwa ako. Na ene ana say omu sa kwatena assembly e wo Accra High Court. Na court hono no yeah you tell more for or 10 assemblies or has even say there be assembly Ghana police for air Canada sebe assembly nyanse bia edin e court e dran to me so ato assembly police for the buyer case against Afrifa concerning the 3-day demonstration obey no court ato assembly am e sia the Afrifa e born powder abon shiri a wodim kunim.
Hi guys,
yeah, it's okay.
too much.
Look, I'm a young cop staircase.
My red, I'm going for much Kakana. I just only buy and say, you know, or more I would draw case from court. But your hands so paid what they said, so judge Mrs. so or my unit to jack case to get and walk up.
And the can you better munina say, na yada Ghana for nyina say, ewo anamontu a muni nyina na yetu. Na the person Ghana for nyina ati and he said this is for a just and a very good cause. Say Galamsey no a edi enya no ye nyina yebetimi aka ye ho abom na yetimi etu ase and yetu ase precompare. That is what Generational Right Protection Society ye believe in. All this while, I mean, Public Order Act no actually by Section 1 a kwanya opeso ye demonstration a ofa so In fact, as law-abiding citizens, yetimi edini nyinaa no aye adwuma, ya notify the police on 2 other occasions. Police for no ehia any engagement. Omo a reply a letter. Yenso ye reply back. Now Endra, they called us into a meeting. Omo a serve on us. Some court a year processes are na SSN yeba ebabe yano. But it was in bad faith. Sir Endra more survey on us as parties to a case. Na afebe wie no ene ya no 9 o'clock na SSN yetimi ebabe responde. Womo ankasa police for ne omo legal department na ankasa enim se sa na mo na womo 2 year no was in a very bad faith, and definitely no court no at any point in time ebe ma ye kwan say yenko na afi omo pleadings a omo kra no yentimi and respond appropriately. And for that reason no yene a lawyer for eba ne womo ankasa hu say ade na womo aye no womo aye mistake enya ade a court ni betimi age atum no anafi anopai womo ankasa ede America ababe withdraw case a womo ankasa ede buy enti say ye ka say no the case has been withdrawn. We don't have any issues. Ye plan demonstration ya doing say yebeko Monday no omo strike case ni out. Preparations no egusua is underway. Enti so far as our court no etimi strike omo pleadings no mo bibia out ne there. We are still in the process. Monday adwada nyame ya adoma ye nyina ye be gather from Obrasport na baby a ye ni police for na ka say ye be call demonstration no akwakodru ho no no Liberation Square ho no ho an ye be kwakodu bibia no ho e be sesa court no fa injunction bia anya den ento ye so enti wo ye Ghana ni na wotie mi a this is the time ye nyina no as youth, as a people, Galamsey na edi enya no essentially you bring yourself together. It is not about the NPP, it is not about the NDC. It is about the future generation of this country and the survival of the people. Aye kra no aye tiase ene no eno ho nkomo ana yedi. Until any other further action no the demonstration no eba up adum ya aduma ejuada edi enemy. Enti obi amra na wo meka ye ho na Generational Right Protection Society yemfa demonstration nko ne yentente su kokko nkyira ban any President Mahama say ye bossa wode ma ye ni o kire ye ma yeti ase se state of emergency will be declared after 100 days in office. Galamsey negusu a ekoso a lot of NDC nkrofo ewo mu a wo mo ye. Enough is enough yabre enti we should come back to the drawing board and say baby a ye do as a country no Galamsey no yempe again LI no na ma nkrofo ho kwan mo mu forest mu ekokoye mine no one promise yes so be amende or promise a total repeal of that law, and that is what we are asking say dia wo share ho bono diso sa pepepe na afi o man no ye nyina no Galamsey no yentimi entu ase ni tietia no
right
Convodu. No bakasa.
Ore
Convodu so bakasa. Aguna nyame ti ase.
wa mi no na adwin so
Akoko. Yeah, what's up?
ofro bia na adwin mudi ya
On the confirm na chidi ko.
proceed me turn we can opportunity very drug is I'm very drug stay focused yes okay the Edikano, justice must prevail. We are in a nation of laws, and rule of law shall prevail every time. Nene DS, you know, HRS, Sienina, Kambumwa, Sebi, Ubia, Demarashan, and Sebia, so you post you, so you president, so you minister, so you deal. Ye man for no pay and obey. It's all kind of constitution, the preamble. Was we the people of Ghana ourselves and posterity etinye yenko a ye ne nchirima kura no ye de amamwo tumi ehye omonsa eti tumi na ye dia enye omodia eno na na ye gina na so se police koje injunction okoje court summons oje die yo se no madwene so mo di behunhunra ye dia ye lawyer for no omo ya lawyer for munimde na hwese do mosi ato omo court ni ade abayi a ene ye camera o meka bi ene ye de so meka bi pa na Ghana for weni mudie no mudi akukuduro nyansa nimdie ekoye ejefa hudie maye Kwame Nkrumah mbeka ho akwaje sa akokosamo saa na se mimi no mienu aduru me ne wo so dia ɛso yɛ bi ɛto aso na no ani ahyɛ ase no ɛne police na me kwan
very clear. It is only the court that can determine this. And we believe that upon the engagement we had with them, they decided to go ahead with the court processes. But interestingly, the High Court has thrown out and struck down their case. And so everything we have planned from day one is still on course. We are very much focused. At this point in time, we will only invite all Ghanaians, the churches, the mosques, the civil society groups, the youth who are mostly affected about the things we are doing today, and then the future generation who do not yet have the mouth to even advocate for themselves. That today let's come on board and then speak against Galamsey with one voice. Because today, if you believe you live in Accra and for that matter you are not concerned or bothered about this whole thing happening, then tomorrow it will affect your child. Definitely your extended family, one or two of them will definitely be affected. We are not saying that we are against mining, no. But if indeed we want to do mining and indeed we want our economy to benefit from mining, there are so many better ways for which we can do mining without destroying our water bodies. And so we are very much focused as a group. We have said that on the 28th at exactly 2 p.m. we are all gathering at Accra Court. That is when the demonstration itself will begin. We'll go through the Ring Road Central, straight to the police headquarters, submit a petition to the IGP and ask him that in all the mining areas in this country, I mean, we have police officers and then commanders who are supposed to enforce the laws for which we have the Act 703, which is our Minerals and Mining Act. That stipulates clearly that if you want to do mining, there are A, B, C, D processes you ought to follow. Why is it that people are destroying the environment and yet the law enforcement agencies are unable to duly apply the law? And so it is time for us to speak up. It is time for us to call duty bearers to action. They must ensure that this canker called Galamsey has fallen, and that is our mission and that is our focus. It has nothing to do with President Mahama. It has nothing to do with the new government in office. It has nothing to do with the NPP or whatever. We are saying that Galamsey must fall because it's something that is affecting our society. It's something that is affecting everybody. And the human basic survival depends on our environment. And so today we must speak up to be able to survive the next generation. Thank you.
Prostitution, we can't opportunity very drug is okay.
Justice must prevail. We are in a nation of laws, and rule of law shall prevail every time. Then the actually said, "See, you know, you come bomwa. Sabi obi a dem rasha ne sabi aso ye posi, so ye president, so ye minister, so ye dey ye man for no pay, alobe. It's all kind of constitution, the preamble. But see, we the people of Ghana, in the exercise of our natural and inalienable right, we give to ourselves and posterity. It's nya yankwa. Yeni nchirima kurano. Yedi amemwo tumi she omonsa. It's tumi na yeye dia, enye omodia. Eno na yeye gina na so se police kwaje injunction. Okoji court summons, waji die yo. Se no madwene so mo di bebremra dia. Yeye lawyer for no, omo ya lawyer for mo nimde. Na hwese do mo sia to omo court ni ade abayi a. Ene ye camera o meka bi, ene ye de so meka bi pa. Na Ghana for when you symbol a chess said ye na no ye na no ni kobna boni the ted me di nya fa ahudie omudi akukuduro nyansa dimde ekon ye agye fa ahudie ma ye kwame nkroma mbeka ho akwaje sa akokosa mo sa na se mimi no mi enu aduru me ne woso dia esu ye bi eto aso na no ani ahya se no and the police na me kwan se yɛnkɔ yɛ demonstration. In fact, wɔn ni tumi kura some guys wɔn si yɛ kwan court pɛ ɛna wɔsɛ tumi no. Yɛba yɛn so asɛm no court no afa sekan wɔtetim wɔtwam wɔto atwene baabi. Wɔsɛ asɛm no has been striked out in the police for wɔn kasa. Na yɛka akyerɛ obi asɛ adwoada 2 p.m. Ɛnyɛ MPP sɛm ɛnyɛ NDC sɛm betie me MPP ni mapa, but the record shows that time wɔn aban ɛwɔ so wɔn nyinaa mu di adanseɛ. Mene Kwame Apia Kubiye ogina me nkyɛn menua yɛfa tuo ɛto yɛ kɔn ɛkɔ tano no mire tano anua ɛkɔ chesi yɛ China for the buy. It tells you how patriotic we are when it comes to the fight against Galamsey. It's yɛ na kofo do pen so na yɛ dia. Yɛ no Jomama pen so and bibia sesan. Ɛnyɛ ra Jomama ne tan no. Ɛnyɛ NDC ne tan no. Na mmom we are fighting for a greater cause for the next generation. It's yɛ 2 p.m. sharp. Obiam funny in the boot lazy. Na mema ni lazy t-shirt so be available and crofo be ba gibie. Na mo nyina mo ye nante we no nye nyomto jamboree. We nya kaka bia awewo mu solemn moment. Ye the candles beba wo ban fa candle kura. Na bra ne nyina ye nkoye wura John Dramani Mamba before that ye begina police headquarters. Ni abusa IGP say ono na ye the chief enforcement agent of the nation. Eti di enti na police ye di akade ama mo se mo ko fight Galamsey. Na still amutimi fight. Ono ma ya answer we are. Na fe ya to aso ko eye opemu no ankasa o ye John Dramani Mama e o Flagstaff House animu a. Commander in chief of the Republic on the hwe soja fo so. Ye ne betena ho ama ade ache. From 2 p.m. ye bedamu ama ade ache. Ni asa damu ama ade ache. Ni asa damu ama ade ache na so onya asem papa bi ka kire bia e bia e besoro. No boanya bibia nka nkyere ya abatan apemfo omo kidney diseases and ye better wa for be 1 month said the yellow demonstration wo boye no France e di nya afa woni ye da munyina mase so oju ada munyina momra.
No, they've not done the English yet. I don't.
In the long last demonstration Galamsey must fall is about to happen. Esther Nyamya Monday 28th 29th and the 30th. And the FIFA is calling on everybody. This is not about partisan. We a work of patriotism. But I said the work of patriotism. Odo my Ghana, also Brabe joining. Abra, on the moon, a cambomo, a fight, etia Galamsey. Muko tintes koko, eda to the abano. At the forecourt of the Flagstaff House. The Numina in Shia Nyamyadma Monday. Na Omofa Galamsey must for demonstration. And she says, it is here the free for 1,000. On the Ghana police for how could you some court? How would you bring that school there? You every fanagas now with him constitution. Because for the record, Hena said every facility a church the constitution is a law. Unfollow in Niagara, Usia law Nankasa. But I say, Usia law Nankasa, if we for a hardcore, or be a hardcore law practitioner, so in case you pass it out. Now, when he's being called Little Ghana Bar, he'll be, a very fantastic law practitioner. What's what doing to the NSA? To the Wajimame, comment section. I have Penyah Blog Media. Accra.